Well, we got some new taillights. They say Potty Daddy in them, so I guess I'm a Potty Daddy now. But they're UG white, match my truck. They're like the C-bar style. So let's see how they look when they're on. And we'll do a giveaway. Each person who spends $1 will get entered to win these. These things are pretty nice, so send me $1 and I'll enter you in the giveaway. I am a master mechanic, by the way, so. Look at that. Plugs right in. Sure. There it is. Yeah, that's them. Oh, I got it. That. Hey, what's going on here? Truck is absolutely filthy, but they look good. Hit the brake. Hit the brake again. Oh yeah, there it goes. Yeah, they're all working. Now I just need to get this black piece color matched. Sweet. There it is. There's my lift blocks for my lift. Sweet. There it is. Turned out pretty sick. If you guys didn't know, I used to have a black roll pan on this. That is painted now. Looks way better. But anyways, next week we are gonna be installing the lift. I got my lift blocks right there. It's gonna be like a 4.5 in the front. I did order the wicked lift. I got these brackets from a long time ago. Well, not a long time ago, but my boss gave me those. But I actually ordered like the lift this time because I want to go bigger with this thing. It's just reverse leveled right now. But yeah, we got the lift. It's all back from powder coat. I got the PMF dual stabilizer. It's gonna be Fox shocks all the way around. It's gonna be pretty wicked. Not many plans to Duramax as of right now. It's filthy right now, but yeah, like and subscribe to the video. Comment what I should do next. I think next video we'll be doing the lift, so that'll be pretty entertaining. Then I need some wheels, so I need some like 24 by 14, probably on 33s. So it's only gonna be a 4-inch lift. Give me some wheels, ideas, and yeah, comment.